So, language and gender differences. How men and women communicate with each other. What are their communication differences? It is an important and interesting topic which I have read in my social linguistic classrooms back in BS English. And now I have decided to share my knowledge with you. Different linguists and theorists have given different theories regarding men and women language differences. They have given their hypothesis, which I will tell you in different videos of this playlist. Well, generally, a lot of linguists believe that some expressions men used but women doesn't use and vice versa. The gendered language differences is due to the people's belief and attributes to the social construction of gender. In every speech community, differences between language of men and women is present. In some communities, it is negligible, but and in some, it is not. Values of society has great influence on its language. This happen mainly through the phenomenon known as taboo. It is the behavior or thing which is prohibited. These words or things cannot be said. This play a great role in differentiation of male and female languages. How it plays the great roles? Well, many societies expect a higher prestige language and high level of moral values from women than from men. This social pressure discriminates the language of gender. People expect that women should be polite, they should use more prestigious or high status language, and they shouldn't use any vulgar language. While on the other hand, society expects men to use some vulgar language or what they say that masculine language. They believe that vulgar language or vernacular language, slang language is equal to masculine language. So men mostly use this type of language. Women are more status conscious and polite. They bring language changes in prestigious form, in the prestigious aspect of a language, while men bring language changes in the vernacular form. Warthog, a great sociolinguist, say that language is sexist. But it means that language has the impact of biological differences of men and women in it. As biologically, women are more cooperative, show more love and compassion toward others, so it reflects in their language. While men loves to show dominance in their language, they are the lover of power, so it reflects in their language. Men loves to lead and dominate in a conversation. So this aspect brings changes in their tone, pitch, and choice of words while conversing with someone. Moreover, language is also a learned behavior. It means that men learn to be men and women learn to be women in our society. It means that gender roles and social position of both genders impact their language. It is the theory of Warthog. There is an interesting example of language and gender differences in Japanese culture. In Japanese, women speak Japanese language and English language with two different pitches. It means that her pitch changes when she speaks Japanese and when she speaks English, while men use the same pitch for both languages. It shows that pitch is also socially constructed. It means that the social construction impacts not only language choices, language words, it also impacts pitch. I have only discussed a few aspects of language and gender differences and only one theory related to this topic in this video. If you want to learn more about different cultures, different language and gender differences aspects, then do subscribe my channel. I will make a whole playlist of this topic. Thanks for watching and do tell me what are your thoughts about this topic in the comment section.